checking the pressurization of the AC system. Set to 100 pounds over the weekend and lost no pressure. So the system's considered good. And here's the AC and heater lines. I think this is a catch can. Or this is the catch can. I'm not sure. I need to check out which is which. Here's the relocated oil filter. Factory seat belts have been installed. The anodized locks installed. There's the passenger seat, and this is one of the side windows getting ready for prepping to be installed. Wiring for the door locks and power windows is being done. Looks like the window guide's installed down there. And it looks like the door latches. Fire suppression lines going to various locations around the car. The wood is just a mock-up until the metal shelf is built. Beginning of installation of the door components, windows, power windows, locks, power locks. Document what pieces may be missing. It's not photographing very well because it's all dark. Basically, there's the chrome bezel around the shifter, but there's no gaskets or boot. looks like the back end. Everything is here. Vents and everything is all complete. Also some of the finishing touches of the door jamb vents and striker. Oh, and the gutter trim is installed. Black anodized gutter trim.